Are you looking to have a tablet installed on a wall that lets you control your smart things? This video will take you through step by step on how you can do that. For this process, we're going to be using the Amazon Fire HD8 16GB tablet with special offers. It's okay to have the special offers on there. If you do it correctly, you should never have to see them. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is install the Google Play Store. In order to do that, we need to enable installation from unknown sources. We want to go into our settings, scroll down to security, and check apps from unknown sources. You're going to want to hit OK here. That will allow you to install apps outside of the Kindle store. Now that we've allowed installations from unknown sources, I'm going to go back home and open up our Silk browser and go to the YouTube video that you're watching now so that you can click the links. And once you have the YouTube video up in your browser, scroll down. The easiest way to do it from here is to long click on each of the four, open in a new tab. Then when you scroll over, you'll go ahead and hit download APK. It will download, and you'll hit open. Install, and done. I'll close that one and do the same for the second one, Google Services. And now number 3, Google Play Services. And the last one we're going to do is the Google Play Store. And once all four are installed, go ahead and restart by shutting down and then powering it back up. Okay, now once you restart, you should notice a couple new icons down at the bottom here. Go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. Now this checking info part could take up to 4 minutes, so just let it go through and eventually you'll be greeted with the screen to add your account. Once you log in, you'll be greeted with a couple different options. Select what you want, and you now have access to the Google Play Store. If you want to have multiple accounts available to you in the Google Play Store to install apps that you have purchased, go ahead and install the Gmail app. Open that up and add your different Google accounts. Then they will show up in your Google Play Store. The next thing we want to do is install the Fully browser. So we want to click the link in the video. Scroll down past the features. Get Fully Kiosk browser. You want to do it with the Play Store. And install. Now we have access to a full screen browser. Check out the next video for some tips on settings within Fully browser and also how to add action tiles to start up with Fully browser.